Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we got something special. Today we've got a collection of what my collection is so far of my rough Ryder knives, traditional pocket knives, and we're going to do the top 5. So what have we got here? We've got the Stoneworks Hawk Bull. We've got the amber jig bone camp knife. We've got the small moose in the classic carbon 2. We've got the tiger striped scout knife. The working man stockman. The working man stockman. The working man half hawk. We've got amber jig bone single bladed trapper liner lock. Let's just put that over there for now. We've got the tiger stripe barlow. Strawberry saw cut bone trapper. And the blue girl jig bone trapper. So out of all of those, let's start saying what the top 5 is. Let's just create some space. So first, number 5 is the barlow. My tiger striped jig bone barlow. Really love the compact nature of this. The brass liners and the brass spacer. And also you just gotta love this tiger striped jig bone. If you guys want more detailed videos of these knives that I'm going to be showing you, I'll be showing some cards of the top 5 over there. And you can also just search through my channel for other videos where we went more into depth on each one. But for now, let's carry on our countdown. So there's the first one on the list. So what would be number 4? The classic carbon 2 moose. I mean, I just love these micarta handles, and this clip point blade is extremely slicey. Honestly, it's just whatever I'm slicing, being it packaging or whatever else, it just goes through it like a hot knife through butter. So I've really grown to love this small moose. And what else do I love about it? Well, the micarta handles, as well as a little detail of the blue with the brass liners. So that's in at number 4. And what should we do for number 3? This cap knife. I mean, I really like this this tiger stripe scout knife. It's the same pattern as this one, but this one, in my opinion, wins over this one, simply because of the fact that I quite enjoy the compact nature of this, and this detail here where you got the brass liners acting as spacers as well. Though I really love that detail, and this spear point blade has been extremely useful. So this one, amber jig bone cap knife, beats out the other one, coming in at number 3. So, now we're getting exciting. What's going to be number 2? Could it be a stockman, or a trapper, or hawk bull, or half hawk? Well, It's got to be the Stockman, specifically this working man Stockman. I've just absolutely grown in love with this, coming in at the number 2. And what do I love about it? Well, first of all, I love the color of the green dyed bone handles. Just everything about it. And the fact that the main blade is actually a lockback. So I really love that. And all in all, as a Stockman, it's just such a nice compact form that it just really sits easily in my pocket without me barely noticing it. So let's have a drum roll. What's number 1? And number 1, it's a trapper. I mean, I really like this trapper, the strawberry zigbone, but this bluegill one beats out this one simply because of the dye job that they've done on these bone handles. Honestly, that's the biggest thing I love about this are these bone handles. And yeah, fantastic action on the main blade. Just everything, the overall look of this trapper, I just absolutely love it. Love the shield. Once again, I love it, the fact that we've got brass liners and a brass space in between it. So all in all, that has to be my number 1. Now, I'm sure I'm going to have a lot of people saying no, that's one of their other favorites and one of ours, but this was purely done on the basis of what do I currently have in my collection and what are my top 5 currently in the collection. And these are my opinions. I've given you guys some insight as to why I ordered them this way, but that's my top 5 for now. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed a video like this. Otherwise, I'll see you guys all soon, and let's stay tuned, have a look at some close-up photos. You know what, just skip photos for today. Let's just have it purely as this video and everything else. Let's just bring all the knives so far into shot. So that we can admire them all together. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for some more knife reviews. And who knows, in the future when I build this collection up, we will then have an updated top 5 list. Until that time, you'll stay safe and have an awesome day.